Good day, dear students. How are you today? Let's start our today's lesson. The theme of our lesson is the wildest dream. Learning objectives. 10, 4, 1. Understand main points in extended texts on a wide range of unfamiliar, general, and curricular topics. 10, 4, 3. Skim a range of lengthy texts with speed to identify content meriting closer reading on a range of general and curricular topics. At the beginning of the lesson, let's learn today's vocabulary, listen and repeat. Camp, clue, conquer, equipment, expedition, fail, fit, fight, frozen, go, logbook, make it, mountain range, mountaineer, numb, set out, spot, summit, surround, sick, vital, wild. You have a text, the wildest dream. What do you know about this text? Listen. George Mallory was obsessed with becoming the first person to conquer the untouched Mount Everest. He was last seen 800 feet below the summit in 1924, before the clouds rolled in and he disappeared into legend. His death stunned the world. 75 years later, climber Conrad Anker's life became intertwined with Mallory's after finding his frozen body with all his belongings entrapped. The only thing missing was a photograph of his wife, Ruth, which Mallory had promised to place on the summit. Haunted by Mallory's story, Conrad Anker returns to Everest with British climbing prodigy Leo Halding to unravel the mysteries surrounding his disappearance. Okay, dear students, let's read this text. The wildest dream. Okay, if you have finished, let's do exercise 2. Complete the sentences. Use solved, returned, fought, discovered, set, failed, spotted, and conquered. Before you should work with check these words. You should translate these words. Okay, the next task is choose the best answer. The first question. What is the purpose of the text? The second question. What does the writer say about Mallory and Irving? Third question. What is Anker's attitude towards Mallory and Irving's climb? Fourth question. Which could be another suitable title for the text? Okay. The next task is speaking. Work in pairs. One person is Conrad Anker and the other is a news reporter. Act out an interview about the discovery of Mallory's body and your role in the wildest dream. How do you think? How are these names connected to Mount Everest? George Mallory, Tenzing Norgay, Andrew Irwin, Conrad Anker, Edmund Hillary, and Anthony Geffen. After, do exercise 7. Match the words in bold to their synonyms. What part of speech are they? Important, achievement, courageous, highest, mission, old-fashioned, finding, and sure. Feedback of the lesson. What evidence exists to suggest that Mallory reached the summit? And why did Conrad Anker fail to reach the summit? Answer these questions. Thank you for your excellent work. Goodbye. See you soon.